Good afternoon, folks. This is Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4, and today we have a 2009 59 plate Audi Q7. It's the S-line model, the one to have. It's in the best colour, of course, black over black with black. So it doesn't get much better than that. And this particular model is the perfect specification. It's got the big 21-inch wheels, the split 5 spokes. It's got the side steps. It's got the privacy glass all round. It's been polished to a mirror finish by our detailer. It's in beautiful condition. You've got the daytime LED running lights there, and of course the additional daytime lights there, and then the fog lights there as well. It's covered 76-ish thousand miles. Excuse that, it's a suction cup mark from our number plate holder. A few little marks on it, as you'd expect a car of this age and mileage, but nothing too serious to note. It's great value. Tyres, excellent condition there. That's pretty much brand new. In fact, that is brand new. The car will be run through our workshop as well. Put a fresh MOT on it and tend to anything else that it may need. A few marks on the door there and rear wing, but other than that, perfect. This tyre's got about 3.5 mil. Again, plenty of wear. The legal limit's 1.6 mil, so there's lots of tread left on that as well. Got your side steps there. You can see it's polished to an absolute mirror. This has been machine polished. When I say polished, not just polished with a bit of polish and a sponge. I mean machine polished with a professional rotary machine. Again, a few marks on the bumper, as you can see there. From loading and unloading, again perfectly normal and acceptable in a large 4x4, and again the same on the rear boot. Nothing drastic and nothing anyone's going to notice, but there you go, it's there, ladies and gents. I always like being honest and accurate with people. Other than that, it's in really nice condition. This tyre again, like the other one, loads of tread, and again this tyre, loads of tread. A few marks on the wheels, but around the edges, but nothing major. So that is our Q7 S-line. We've got a full book pack. It's got a full service history as well. I think there's 3 keys with it as well. So let's look at the interior. This one's got the power tailgate. There we go. Nice option to have. Of course, you've got the 7 seats here. And then it's also got the air suspensions you can raise and lower here. 12-volt socket there, bit of extra storage there. You've got the gloss black trim here with the aluminium finisher. Your speakers and tweeters there, your S-line entry sill plates. Then your seat folding mechanism there. You've got the full leather interior on this one, which is nice to have. Easy to fold with those buttons there. And then the rear vent and 2 12-volt sockets, as you find in pretty much all Q7s, as well as the trays for the kids for eating, putting iPads on, etc. Going round to the passenger side, folks, much of the same, except on this particular car you've got the full electric seats with lumbar support, electrically adjustable, which is a really nice option to have. Got the S-line embossing there on the front seats, got the full fitted carpet floor mats, the piano black trim. The twin armrest with the cup holder in it, and we'll go round to the driver's side. Windscreen free from any cracks or damage. Mirrors all intact. And here we've got power folding mirrors. You've got heated, electrically adjustable, so that's great. Nice option again to have. The electric windows, child lock for the rears, electric boot release, your S-line trim, sill plate, sorry, and then your electric seats. Automatic lights, as you can see there, handbrake. If we step in, so we've got the multimedia center, MMI. So I'll just close this door. So if I press this on here, that should switch everything on. There you go. So we've got navigation. We can press map there in night mode currently. Info. You've got car. So you've got the air suspension on this, adaptive air suspension, which is a really nice option. Lift, off-road, comfort, automatic, dynamic. Currently in automatic mode. You can press the system, and that takes you into the settings menu as well, which you can mess about with if you so desire. So you can, for example, you can go to ambient lighting, put it on the brightest setting, and leave that there. Parking system. So you've got front and rear sensors. Okay. Let's just go back. Service interval display. Next oil change in 7,800 miles. Next inspection 10,200 miles, 533 days or 168 days respectively. I think that pretty much covers all your system stuff there. And setup is pretty much more the same. Of course, you've got towing mode and jacking mode, which will set the air suspension accordingly. We've got Bluetooth for your phone. Okay. And then we've also got here radio. Just turn that volume down. You've got the 12 volt socket there, which has got the actual adapter in place or cover in place, which is quite unusual. Got this lovely gloss piano black trim, which Dan's polished up for you, so it's not absolutely covered in scratches as you find in some cars. And then if we go to wave band there on your things, you've got FM, MW and LW. That's your station choice. Okay. And then media systems, so you can use different sources. You've got the hard drive built in, you've got the SD card, and then you've got the DVD and the AMI, which can connect to your phone if you get an AMI cable, which are a couple of quid on eBay. This is your multimedia center here. So you've got your SIM card, your SD card, CD, dual zone climate control, and you've got heated seats as well, which again is a great option. Little storage compartment there. Name, phone number. So yeah, that pretty much covers everything there. You've got the flappy paddles here on the gear shift, and you've got cruise control there, which you can see. Automatic lights. And then of course you can control, you've got voice control there. Cancel. And then you've got DVD. Yeah, so that's all there. You can control that screen with these buttons here on the steering wheel, and then flick through things. So yeah, you've got the S-line on the steering wheel there. Got the automatic dimming mirrors, lights, and of course you've got this here, which is your tray there. then another cup holder there. And that is pretty much it for the inside, ladies and gents. So this is, again, just to remind you, it's our 59 plate Q7 3-litre TDI S-line in black with the 21s and the side steps and the privacy glass. Really, really nice. I took this in part exchange against a newer Q7, and Q7s are always popular cars. I'm always happy to take them in, and this one's got the nice spec and the nice colour combination. So yeah, more than happy with this car for my customers. So thank you very much for watching. We do offer nationwide delivery to your door. We also offer warranty, and we offer finance packages as well. If you are interested, please just give me a call or a text or an email, and I'm more than happy to answer that for you and deal with any inquiry you may have. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.